You don't need a nutcracker anymore. I'll show you how to easily and quickly shell any nuts. Cracking nuts, although it might seem simple, can be challenging, especially when dealing with exceptionally hard shells. Often, the shell is too tough to break by hand. Even traditional nutcrackers sometimes struggle with larger or more stubborn nuts. Using a mallet or hammer often crushes the nut's interior. That's why I'm going to show you a smart trick to shell them efficiently. Take the cap of an empty bottle and a long screw. Choose the size of the cap depending on the type of nut. Heat the sharp end of the screw with a lighter and make a hole on the side of the cap, just like in the video. Pass the screw through the cap. Now you have a DIY nut shelling tool ready. A smaller cap works well for hazelnuts, while a larger one is better for walnuts. Cover the nut with the cap and gently tap to crack the shell. This method allows you to extract the whole nut without damaging it. For larger nuts, use a bigger cap prepared in the same way. A smaller cap works best for hazelnuts, while a larger one is perfect for walnuts. This trick makes it easy and convenient to shell even large quantities of nuts.